Yo, what's good, guys? My mask is looking a little crazy. And they fixed the metal piece that's in here. It got kind of messed up. I just got to the homie's house right now to pick up the shoes. Let me text him and let him know that I'm outside. I'll show you guys what I'm picking up. I'm picking up some Nike SBs, the Dunk Highs, the Diamond Dunk Highs, and then a pair of Shadow 1s. Both in pretty good condition. I think he said the Diamond SBs are only worn once, and the Shadows I think were 8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10. He asked for $350, and I told him, can you do $320? And then we met in the middle at $330. So I'm copping both pairs for $330. They're both size 10. So it was cool because he understands that, you know, he had to make a little bit of bread and then I had to make money too. So it's all good. But yeah, I just got here. I'm gonna wait for him to get out and come outside, and then I'll show you guys the kicks. So 1 second, peace.
Transaction?
Huh?
That Rona
Corona transaction. Got the 2 kicks right here.
Check it out.
Show it. What you been up to?
No, man.
Just chilling.
Yeah.
The ones. Chilling at home, huh?
Yes, sir.
Were you working still before it happened?
Yeah.
Yeah. I trust you. I don't really need to look at them.
That's all good, man. Take your time, dude.
Should be good. How you been handling everything?
One day at a time, bro.
1 day at a time? Feel it, bro.
I literally, I wore
Solid
those once.
condition. Where'd you wear them to?
I think the mall or something.
The mall?
That's it.
Alright, cool. What's your Venmo?
I'll text you.
Yeah. Big bro is with me right now. What's good, bro? What's good, guys? What's good, bro? What's good, guys? I'm in the shop right now, and I got the face mask on that your boy made. But I'm in the shop right now. I have a bunch of stuff in the car that I actually need to bring into the shop, like clothing-wise, that I took from my parents' house. But I don't know if I'm gonna do it today. But I do have these 2 packages that I gotta unbox. Or 3. 1, 2, and then this one. And then I gotta go ship some stuff also. So my brother's gonna hold the camera real quick. It's the Fear of God Converse and 2 Supreme pieces from, I think it's 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. I'm actually not sure, but let me hand it over to my big bro here. Put it over your neck just in case. Right. Dude, that's perfect because I could just ship that box right out.
Is this still recording?
Huh? Oh, yeah, it might fall off. I low key just mask is off.
It's a freaking sweater, Aaron.
Right. Just aim it on me.
Can I just do it like this?
Huh? No, bro, hurry up.
I can't even see what I'm looking at.
Yeah. Flip the screen back down.
Oh. I don't know.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's good. Alright, guys. Dang, I don't know if you guys can hear me through the mask, but I'm gonna keep it on regardless. I got the gloves on too, just trying to stay as clean as possible. This is gonna be the first box right here. This is already open. My dad, it got delivered to my parents' house, and my dad is the one who actually opened the box. But as you can see, you come a little closer. I don't know what stickers are in here yet, but it's obviously the Supreme, the Tupac, and some other one right there. It's more like a splatter, like paint splatter one. Just leave that right there. 2 things I did pick up. This is the Supreme baklava. Get the baklava! You don't know where that's from. Where's that from?
I don't know.
Get the baklava!
Aaron, isn't that a dessert?
Huh? Yeah, from
It's baklava.
From what's it called? The movie The Hangover. Remember?
Nope.
Fool, when they go to the random guy where they got married, and then he yells at his assistant, the girl, get the baklava.
Oh, it's baklava. Stop saying baklava.
But yeah, so it's a Supreme, pretty much like ski mask, I think I'd call it.
You won't try it on though.
It got Supreme right there. And then, where else? It's got Supreme North Face right there in the front. Obviously the tag right there. And it's got this green hit. It's got the holes for the breathability. And then this right here, I'm not gonna take it out of the bag. You can see it right there. It's a side bag. It's a lot smaller actually than I thought it was gonna be. But should I put it on?
Yes.
All right, my brother said to put it on. Man, that was hot. I got a beanie on though. So what? Ooh, the hair though.
Ooh, that quarantine life.
Fit.
I don't want to take your glasses off.
Dang, this thing is extra.
Okay, get over here. Get over here.
Mortal Kombat, boy.
Get over here.
How's it look?
Finish him.
Oh, this is kind of sick. Or like,
You look kind of crazy.
Halloween costume.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we're gonna continue this now with this mask on and put this down. Get one of this.
Pull it down a
The
little.
same angle. Huh?
Pull it down a little. No, like the top of your head.
Oh.
It doesn't look like it's fitting on your head.
Same angle. Get the back. Supreme. Get a full picture of it, not like scanning.
It doesn't even. You can't see it.
How do you do it?
No.
Do it?
Mhm.
Alright. Man, this thing's too hot, bro. I'm gonna take it off.
Take your glasses off.
Let's get this back on. Alright. Let's put this back in the bag. Box cutter time. So this right here, this is from Converse. Yeah, look at this box cutter. It's like a plastic.
Yeah.
Huh?
It'll still work.
My homie official K Ruiz on Instagram. Shout out to you for copping the shoes. He already copped them before I even got them, so he paid me for them. So I'm just gonna unbox them here, but hey, what the heck? They should have used a better box. Cause look, it fell out. Oh no, it didn't. You can see right there, essentials, and then I got the receipt right here. Yeah, shout out to him for already copying. So I'm gonna keep this nice and clean. I'm not gonna really touch it too much because this is not my pair technically. Ooh, okay. These are fire. Right, let me give you guys a little 360. See it? At the bottoms. Anything on the bottom? No, it just says Converse All Star. So these do fit, I feel, like a real Converse. Like, this is a size 10, but I honestly feel like it will fit like an 11. Because Converse always run kind of big. It's got the gray on it. It's got the shoelace tied behind in the little pull hole. And then the tongue is actually leather. So it adds a little, you know, little flavor to the shoe. It's a little high-end like little touch to it, so it's just low-key leather. But overall, nice shoes. The 70s Chuck Taylor, so it's got the thick bottom, so very, very sturdy. But yeah, I'm gonna put this back in the box. I don't want to touch it too much. But let me get a thumbnail real quick. Let's get that in there too. Okay, put this back in the box. So So these will probably go out tomorrow. Actually maybe today, because I can just throw it in the same box and just ship it to him. Box don't really matter. This is just easier, so I'll just tape up this box again and then ship this for now. But yeah, that was the unboxing, so it's time to go to the post office, and then I gotta go pick up a dog wheelchair from my boo-boo's dog. So I'll see you guys later. Peace. Yeah, what's good, guys? It is early in the morning right now. I'm about to head to a bunch of Targets to see if I can come up on some Nintendo Switch lights. They are reselling on like OfferUp for like $270 to $290, maybe stretched to like $300. Some, mainly the ones that are selling are the pink ones and the turquoise ones. So I'm gonna head to a couple Targets to see how many I can get. I know they have a rule where you can only buy one per person, just because it's in like high demand and sells out pretty quickly. But I'm just gonna try and see if I could finesse and see how many I can get. So I'm gonna take you out the Target. Let's go. Yo, what's good, guys? Let me hang that up. I just got to Target right now. This is the first one that I'm hitting because I actually put one on hold. I was able to do the order pickup for this one, so it's already ready, but I ordered two and they canceled one. I'm guessing it's because you're only allowed to buy one, but I was gonna take the boo-boo with me if they didn't cancel that one. But I'm here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk to the electronic area, and then I'm just gonna try to buy one if they have it there, and then I'm gonna go to the guest services and see if I can cop the second one, the one that I already have on hold. So we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed, baby. Let's go. All right, so they had none, no more Nintendo Switches at all in the back, but I'm headed to the guest services now to get the one that I already have on hold. I'll be a little salty if that one's not there, but it should be there because I already put it for the order pickup. So all right, let's get to guest services. Yo, what's good, guys? Man, I say that a lot, huh? Yo, what's good, guys? I just wanted to show you guys the shoes. They're right here. I just wanted to show you guys before. I think the lighting's not that good. If I have that on. Is that cool? I guess that lighting's alright. But you can see the shoe. Super good condition, both of them. Yeah, that lighting's not the greatest. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, you can obviously see they're in super good condition. And then the other shoe, I actually haven't even seen the second pair, so I only took out this one initially. But you can see that one too. Condition is crazy as well. Like I said, or like he said in the video, or like he said earlier, he literally only wore them in the mall for, I don't know, a little bit. He said just to walk around the mall. That's literally the only time he wore them. So crazy. I picked both of them up. For $330. So if you think that's a steal, or you think I paid too much, or whatever you think, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I paid $330 for these and shadows. So overall, I think it was a good price. He initially asked for $350, and then I asked for $320, and then we met in the middle at $330. So appreciate you, CJ, for hooking me up. And yeah, those are the shoes. Yeah. I got 2 bags. Target. I didn't film in the other Target. But let me show you guys how many I was able to cop. Alright, so let's just put them all right here. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. All these I'm gonna put up for sale on OfferUp. I'm gonna list them at like $280, maybe $300. Retail was retail for these was $218. So selling for $280 to $300. Obviously, it's gonna be like a $60 to like $80 profit on each. And the good thing about it is there's no risk, because if it doesn't sell for some reason, which I doubt will happen, you could always return it. And then I'll get my money back. So I will list these on OfferUp right now, and then just see if I get any hits on them, and then I'll keep you guys posted. It's cool. Staying cozy in this quarantine. I hope you guys like this video. Here's a little here's a little reminder while you're in quarantine. Even if you are staying home in the morning or whenever during the day when you get up, get dressed. Still get swaggy. You know, put on a cozy fib. Make sure it's still swaggy. Smell good. Put some cologne on. You know, just feel good and bring that good energy. You know, like you can still swag out to go to the living room, to go to the kitchen or whatever. Just while you're bumming around, you still look good. You know what I'm saying? So stay positive. Hopefully this will all be over soon, and we can all get back to our regular scheduled programming of cutting hair and flipping clothes and hitting the thrifts. I miss it so much, to be honest. My bad. I'm playing this app called Poker Face, where you can play like Texas Hold'em with pretty much like FaceTime, so you can see them. But yeah, download Poker Face. That's another thing. It's a way to FaceTime with a bunch of people while you're playing poker. So it's just something fun, just something to do, and you get to FaceTime and chop it up with each other. But yeah, if you do play it, drop your username down below. Maybe I'll look for you. Maybe we could play a couple hands together or whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's just a little like combination of like random stuff that I did on random days. But yeah, I can only film so much. I hope you guys are enjoying this content. I'm doing the best I can. But yeah, so that's gonna wrap up this video. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed it, and y'all already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the causes in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good? Peace.